रक्स का बदफेली के साथ जुड़ना, घर वालों की नाराज़गियाँ तक सहना, माशरे की तंग नज़री, हुकूमत का नज़र फेरना। लेकिन इसी सब के अंदर हमने देखा कि किस तरीके से नए चेहरे उभर के सामने आए हैं। फ़नून रक्स को वो आगे लेके जा रहे हैं।
Rewarding, no. When I told them the kind of synopsis कि मैं ये कर रही होंगी, उनको थोड़ा सा लैक्स हो गया था. They just thought कि हमारी बेटी बस नाच रही होगी स्क्रीन पे और सब देख लेंगे टाइप.
Luckily, my parents are also performing artists. My dad's a musician, my mom's a theatre artist. मेरे लिए जो commercial aspect है उस पे I've had to face a lot of troubles in terms of कि हमारी जो industry है, it's built on standards, it's built on beauty standards, it's built on कौन कितना, I'm sorry to say, but कौन कितने पैसे से आता है, उसको ज़्यादा अहमियत नहीं दी जाती है, जो ज़्यादा अच्छी, there's someone who can speak good Angrezi or someone who can dress nice, regardless of their talent. Performing arts to me is an art form, is a medium of art where you use your body, your voice, to communicate something that you feel is something that needs to be communicated on a communal level. It is a tool जो traditionally भी हमारे पंजाब के at least खित्ते में बहुत सालों से has been used as a means to discuss things that cannot be maybe discussed directly. I wouldn't care about them. I wouldn't, like, not at all. They don't know what it's like.
More power to you.
They really don't know what it's like being a woman A, B being a dancer who's able to express. I think मैं जितना अपनी फील्ड में आगे जा रही हूँ मैं उतना लिबरेटेड फील करती हूँ और उतना बैक ऑफ द माइंड मेरे शायद अब तो दिमाग में आता भी नहीं है कि किसी को बुरा लगता होगा. Really, like.
Right? I don't use my words, but I use my body, I use my choreography, I use my ideas. Dance for me is a lifestyle, I would say. But at the same time, it was like, dance? A question mark in their head, and I was like, how? Like, no one in my family is in the art industry, right? So I was the odd one out. I was the black sheep. You express yourself the way that you want to. You listen to music the way you want.
I think performing arts is an expression, for me, a more beautiful way than speech. I do think there is a monopoly. I wouldn't say that I am the best person to express that because मेरा इतने सालों का experience नहीं है. I have about a year's worth of experience in this industry. There's two companies that have the monopoly when it comes to dance. One is a team that I'm a part of, which is the Colony, and the other one is Bayat, which is more of a classical team. Pakistan की mentality कुछ ऐसी है that if it's a man dancing, you kind of immediately go to ये क्या है, which is very sad to see. I think when I was just doing it for fun, my parents thought, she's following a passion, they were fine with it. It's when I told them about my first music video, जो मुझे commercially आई थी, जो अभी निकली है recently, Velo की, that their reaction was not the best. Even though मेरा कोई इतना role नहीं था उस music video में, मैं dance कर भी नहीं रही थी. But now they're very supportive. Like जब मेरी music video निकली थी, they were very excited to watch it, even though कितना ही कोई screen time होगा मेरा उसमें.
Oh, for sure, it's rewarding enough if you stay committed to it. As anything else, I would say that if you're committed to it, if you're loyal to it, everything is rewarding. Where I am right now, it's because of dance. 2 years, they were like, अच्छा अब पैसा आ रहा है, घर सही है, फिट है, अच्छा खुद अपने पैसे दे रहा है, 2019 से इसने मुझसे पैसे नहीं लिए, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, तो उनको फिर समझ आ गई अच्छा बच्चा इसमें ही रहेगा. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम वही था कि उनकी भी ख्वाहिशात कुछ थी जो कि मैं साथ लेके चल रहा हूँ, मेरे भी कुछ शौक़ थे, सब कुछ थे, तो मैं सब कुछ साथ साथ लेके चल रहा हूँ, विच आई थिंक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यार आई थिंक प्रोज में सबसे बड़ा ये है कि द इन्वायरमेंट एंड द कम्युनिटी दैट यू ब्रिंग टुगेदर, वो एक बहुत क्रेजी होती है टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरे लिए. एंड फॉर मी डांस इज़ थेरेप्यूटिक. One thing that I would like to say is that when we hear the word monopoly, right, it has a negative connotation to it, right? अब सबसे बड़ी कंपनी अगर मैं अपने मुंह मियाँ मिठू होगा अगर मैं ये बोलूँगा, लेकिन the Colony has been in the market for 6 years, right? And Colony से ही सब कुछ शुरू हुआ, डांस वाला पूरा एक फॉर्मेट, डांस क्लासेस, इवेंट्स, ये वो वगैरह सब कुछ यहाँ से शुरू हुआ, right? तो I would not say monopoly, but काफ़ी देर से हम मौजूद हैं मार्केट के अंदर। यार हमारा एक प्ले आ रहा है इंशाल्लाह, दैट्स इट्स अ म्यूज़िकल थिएटर प्रोडक्शन एंड साद शेख इज़ द डायरेक्टर। द कॉलोनी के साथ ही आएगा जो आएगा इंशाल्लाह।
And this was Rana Abdullah from Sunday Stories signing off. Stay tuned for another episode.